Hello my wonderful traders, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to teach you guys how to trade US30 using double top strategy and how you can follow the double top pattern to place a sell entry and make profit from the market. All right, so as we're seeing the market structure, what we're seeing here is a double top and what we're seeing here is a double top. All right, now whenever you see a double top pattern like that, the market would sell. Whenever you see a double top pattern just like this right here, market would sell just as you are seeing it right here. There was a double pattern at the green and the red candle, just as you are seeing. So this double pattern, they are equal size, just as you can see right here. They are equal size. The double top pattern right here, you see that they are equal size and there was a sell in the market, right? So, and at this point right here, if you take a look at this point right here, the double top pattern, here is a double top right here at the higher high, right? And there was a sell in the market, just as you can see. Here again, another double top and there was a sell in the market, just as you can see right here. All right, so this strategy is a very good strategy for you to make profit and see it was a sell entry point on the market. All right, so whenever you see a double top candlesticks, the market would sell. So there's a higher chance that the market would sell whenever you see a double top pattern on the chart on US30 market. So there's a higher chance that the market will sell, just as you can see right here, double top right here, the market sold. Right here again, you can see double top, the market sold, just like that, right? So this is a powerful strategy for you to make profit off the market, and it's a good sell opportunity right here. Take a look at the very long sell on the market. Just from this point down here, you can see the sell opportunity at the double top right here, the green and red candle. The next breakout was a very long sell, and that will result in a huge amount of profit on the market, right? Result in a good amount of profit. So how do you detect a perfect double top pattern? When you see a breakout, so the double top has to break out. All right, it has to break out, meaning after the green candle, then the red candle needs to break out and it created another sell. When it starts creating another sell after the breakout, it will sell, just like you see right here. After this green candle, there was red. The market bought and it sold, then it break out, just as you are seeing right here. It break out from this candle tick to the next candle tick. It was a sell position, and that results in a huge amount of profit from the market, just as you can see right here. All right, just as you can see right here, this is a double top pattern. There was a breakout, there was a sell in the market. All right, just as you can see right here, another top, there was a sell in the market. So this is a perfect entry for you to make profit on the market. So this might not work all the time because sometimes the markets don't always go the way we want it to go, but I can tell you that this strategy is working. Just as you can see that I've showed you guys that whenever there's a double top, there's a higher percent chance of the market selling on the market, and it's not just like a small sell entry. So the amount of sell can be long. All right, the sell can be long on the market and it result in a huge amount of profit from this market. So these are patterns of the candlesticks you need to be familiar with when you're trading on the market, such as US30 market. These are the patterns you need to study when you're trading on the US30 market using this double top pattern, right? This double top pattern. And there's what we call breakout structure strategy, but I've talked about a strategy in one of my previous video when I did about US30 breakout structure, but I'm just going to show you a little bit of breakout structure strategy when you're trading US30. So when you're trading US30 using the breakout strategy, you need a trend line. All right, you need a trend line for you to be able to perfect this strategy very well, right? You need a trend line. So when you draw your trend line from the top, and if you draw your trend line from the top of the red candle tick, which is a sell right here, you take the candle ticks right here, You draw your trend line from the top, and when there's a breakout, the market will buy. You see, when there's a breakout, the market will buy. If this green candle breaks above this green candle, the market is a buy. Okay, it needs to break out. So what do you mean by breakout? When something moves apart, or when something breaks apart. So just imagine you have a pen, and the pen breaks into two. You either have you have two parts of the pen, right? You have a full pen, a pen that you use to write. This is a pen. For example, this is a pen right here, and the pen breaks into two parts, right? The pen breaks into two parts, just like this. Just like this. The pen breaks into two parts. What you have is one at the top, one at the bottom, right? You now have two pieces of a broken pen. So the pen is one in full, but when it's broken, it turned into two pieces of a broken pen, right? So it just as it is right here with these candlesticks. So you see a green candle, and there's a red candle. So but the breakout needs to come from where? The green candle before it will buy. And if it's gonna sell, the breakout will come from the what? The red candle. All right, the breakout will come from the red candle if it's going to sell. I hope you understand what I'm saying. So for it to sell, what you need to do is to draw your trend line. You draw your trend line from the green candle. If you want to detect a sell entry, you take the trend line from the green candle to the nearest green right here. All right, you take it from the green candle at this point. So if there's a breakout, when you see a breakout, just like you can see right here, the red candle, it breaks out below this trend line that I've drawn, the market would sell. I hope you understand what I'm saying, guys. Once it breaks out, the market will sell and give you a good entry for a sell, and that is a perfect opportunity for you to sell the market and make profit from the market. And when you see a double top that is about the same level with the green and the red, the market will sell. All right, so there's a higher percent chance that the market would sell when there's a double top. I hope you understand what I just said to you guys. So as you can see right here, the market is closed right now. The market will be opened tomorrow. So I'm just showing you how you can make profit using this double strategy, this double top strategy, for you to make profit, just as we are seeing right here. At this point, if you measure it, this is a double top right here. This is a what? A double top, and the market sold. This is a double top. This is another top right here, and the market sold. So as you can see what I'm saying, guys, this is a perfect strategy for you to make profit of the market. So whenever there is a double top, there's a higher percent chance that the market will always sell. There's a higher percent chance that the market may sell, although sometimes it may not go the way we want it to go, just as we are seeing right here. At this point, there was double top right here, but the market bought before it sold, just as you can see. But it will sell, but it may take some time before the market sell. All right, so this is how it works. All right, so I believe after watching this video, you now understand what I just said to you guys. Now I'm going to test this on a live trade when the market is open, just to show you guys how this strategy works perfectly. All right, so if you enjoyed this video and you found value in this video that I just shared to you guys, do it to like and subscribe to the channel, The Daily Forex, for more awesome trading tips and strategies. I will see you guys on the next video.